Hello students, last time we studied about desktop, taskbar, files, folders. This time we'll study about Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folders. We can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. Whenever we save our file, it gets saved into the hard disk. Okay, and whenever we have to open that file, how we can open that file, we have to go into Windows Explorer. Firstly we have to open Windows Explorer, then only we can open that file. Windows Explorer not only provides detailed information about files, it also kept record of folders and various drives. Okay, files get stored into folders and folders further stored into drives. Okay, so Windows Explorer manage detailed information about drives, folders and files also. So whenever we have to make access to any file, we have to open Windows Explorer. Then it will show all the drives in which the various folders are present, and in folders various files are present, so we can easily make access to our file. But we have to remember the drive in which our file is saved. Fine. You can also change the way the file will appear, whether it appears as an icon, it appears in a list form. Now, how to open Windows Explorer? To open Windows Explorer, first we have to click on Start button, then all programs option will appear, then we have to select accessories, and then Windows Explorer will open. You have to follow these steps to open Windows Explorer, and after Windows Explorer will open, you have to go to that drive in which you have saved your file. Then the various files will appear and you have to double click the file which you want. Now, how to view files or folders? To view the contents of any file or folder, simply double click on it. We can change the layout of files and folders using view button present on the toolbar. As I have said, you can change the layout of files or folders. You can change the look of files and folders, how they are appearing to us. Okay, using the view button present in the toolbar, we can change how the file will appear, whether it will appear in a list form, in detailed form, or in the form of an icon. Creating a folder. How to create a folder? Whenever we want to save a file, we save it in an existing folder, or we can create a new folder, and that folder already is present in a particular drive. Okay, for the easy access of file, we have to create a folder. Steps. What are the various steps to create a new file or folder are: firstly we have to click on Start button, which is given in the taskbar. Okay, then there comes My Computer option, and we have to click on it. Then we have to select drive, in which drive the file we want to create or folder we want to create. Then we have to select folder if we are creating a file, and then press enter key. Okay, by this step we will specify the exact location where the folder is to be created. Now onwards, we have to click on new folder in the menu bar. On the menu bar, new folder option is there, and we have to click on it, and we have to type the name of the folder which is to be created, and then press enter key. The folder is now created. हमने क्या किया, सबसे पहले स्टार्ट बटन पे गए जो टास्क बार में हमें दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद क्या होएगा, हम उसके बाद क्लिक करेंगे जब स्टार्ट बटन पर, तो हमारे पास माई कंप्यूटर ऑप्शन आएगी. तो उसके बाद हमें सेलेक्ट करनी है ड्राइव की, किस ड्राइव में हम फोल्डर बनाना चाहते हैं, देन हम क्या करेंगे, अगर हमें फ़ाइल क्रिएट करनी है देन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा हमें फ़ोल्डर कि हमें किस फोल्डर में फ़ाइल बनानी है, देन प्रेस करेंगे एंटर की। ओके, इस वे से हमें क्या पता चलेगा, हमें पता चलेगा कि हमारे फ़ोल्डर जो हमें क्रिएट करना है या फ़ाइल हमें जो क्रिएट करनी है उसकी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन क्या होगी। ठीक है, अब हमें क्या देना पड़ेगा, अगर हम नया फ़ोल्डर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो न्यू फोल्डर ऑप्शन जो मेन्यू बार में दी हुई है हम उस पर क्लिक करेंगे। अब हमें नेम देना है फ़ोल्डर का जो हमें क्रिएट करना है और फिर हम क्या करेंगे, एंटर की प्रेस करें। इससे क्या होगा, हमारा फ़ोल्डर का नाम जो हमने दी है वो क्रिएट हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कॉपिंग फाइल और फोल्डर। यू कैन ओनली कॉपी अ फाइल और फोल्डर इफ़ a file or folder is created. First you can create it and then you can copy it. Next, what are the steps to copy a file or folder? First, click on start button, then my computer option, then double click on the D drive icon. D drive icon, if your file or folder is present in D drive, it will display all the files and folders in D drive. Now select the file or folder you want to copy. Next step is कि right click करेंगे फाइल या फोल्डर पे which you want to copy and select the copy option from the drop down menu, or you can also press Ctrl plus C for copying the file. That is a shortcut key for copying the file. Okay, now choose the location where you want to place the copied file or folder. Then right click over the blank area and then select paste option, or you can also press Ctrl plus V together. Okay, Ctrl plus V is a shortcut key for paste option. The file or folder is copied to a new location or to the location where you want to copy it. So अगर आपको कोई भी फाइल या फोल्डर कॉपी करना है तो क्या प्रोसीजर है, स्टार्ट बटन पर जाएंगे, देन माई कंप्यूटर ऑप्शन पर जाएंगे, देन डबल क्लिक करेंगे जिस भी ड्राइव में वो आपकी फ़ाइल या फोल्डर प्रेजेंट है तो वो क्या करेगा, इट विल डिस्प्ले कर देगा सारे फाइल्स और फोल्डर जो उस ड्राइव में प्रेजेंट होंगे। जैसे हमने इस केस में एग्जांपल डी ड्राइव में लिया है तो क्या करेगा, सारे फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स डिस्प्ले करवा देगा जो भी डी ड्राइव में प्रेजेंट होंगे। देन वो हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी हमें कॉपी करना है फाइल या फोल्डर उस पर राइट क्लिक करेंगे जिससे वो सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा। देन Ctrl plus C इज़ द शॉर्टकट की फॉर कॉपी। ठीक है, कॉपी कमांड के लिए हम शॉर्टकट की यूज़ करते हैं Ctrl plus C, तो उससे क्या होगा, कॉपी हो जाएगा। देन वी हैव टू चूज़ द लोकेशन वेयर वी वांट टू कॉपी द कॉपीड फाइल और फोल्डर। ओके, जहाँ पर भी हम कॉपीड फाइल और फोल्डर को प्लेस करना चाहते हैं तो हमें वो लोकेशन चूज़ करनी है और वहाँ पर भी राइट क्लिक करेंगे और द ब्लैंक एरिया, देन सेलेक्ट करेंगे, पेस्ट ऑप्शन को भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप, एंड Ctrl plus V इज़ द शॉर्टकट की फॉर पेस्ट। याद रखना है Ctrl plus C इज़ फॉर कॉपी एंड Ctrl plus V इज़ फॉर पेस्ट। और तो हम क्या करेंगे, वो पेस्ट कर देंगे वहाँ पर, एंड देन इसका मतलब है हमारी जो फाइल और फोल्डर है वो कॉपी हो गई है टू अ न्यू लोकेशन। Next is moving a file or folder. The steps are almost the same as of copying a file or folder, but the difference lies in the step where we have to copy in case of copying a file, and moving a file is a little bit different. To move a file from one location to another, we have to first follow the same procedure as click on start button and then my computer option, and then double click on the drive in which the file or folder is present, and it will display all the files and folders in the drive. Then we have to select the file or folder if we want to move. Then we have to right click on the file or folder which we want to move and select the cut option from the drop down menu, or we can also press Ctrl plus X. Together we have to press Ctrl plus X. This is the shortcut key for cut option. Okay, now choose the location where we want to place the cut file or folder. Then there also right click over the blank area and then select paste option, or we can also press Ctrl plus V together, which is for paste. Okay, the file or folder is moved to a new location. Now what is the difference between the Ctrl plus X, which is cut option, and Ctrl plus C, that is copy option? Okay, Ctrl plus X delete the file or folder where it is already present and paste it to a new location. This means we have moved the file or folder from the already present location to a new location. Whereas in Control plus C means copy option, it is present on both the locations, so where it is already present and on the new location also. Next one is renaming files or folders. What are the steps to rename file or folder? Firstly, we have to select the file or folder which is to be renamed. Then right click on it and select the rename option from the drop down menu, and we have to type the new name and press the enter key. Then the file or folder is renamed in this way. And there is another way to rename a file or folder by using shortcut key. Okay, F2 key is also used for renaming any file or folder. F2 key is the functional key. Okay, function key F2 is also used for renaming file or folder. Next one is deleting files or folders. For deleting the files and folders that are already existed, we have to use the following method. Select one or more file or folders that are to be deleted. Then right click on the file or folder that we want to delete and then choose the delete option. Or we can also press the delete key. A delete dialog box appears. Okay, and we have to click yes to delete. The file or folder gets deleted and move to the recycle bin. ठीक है, there are दो मेथड्स हैं डिलीट करने के लिए फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स को. फर्स्ट मेथड इज़, पहले क्या करेंगे, हम राइट क्लिक करेंगे फाइल और फोल्डर को जो हम डिलीट करना चाहते हैं. देन डिलीट ऑप्शन में से, ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे, चूज़ करेंगे और फिर उसके बाद क्या होगा, एक डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर होगा जिसमें हमें क्या करना है, येस क्लिक करेंगे डिलीट करने के लिए. या फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली डिलीट की को प्रेस कर सकते हैं एंड देन डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स एंड वी हैव टू क्लिक येस इफ़ यू वांट टू डिलीट. देन जो द फाइल और फोल्डर विच वी वांट टू डिलीट गेट्स डिलीटेड and that file or folder move to the recycle bin. Next one is searching a file or folder. Computer is used for storing information so that we can retrieve it whenever we need it. Sometimes we forget the location of our files and it is not possible to check each and every folder and subfolder, so we can find using one of the Windows feature named search box. Sometimes you forgot the name of the file which you have saved, or sometimes you forgot the location where you have saved that file. So for that purpose, for finding the missing file, we have to use the Windows feature named search box. There are 3 ways to search a file or folder using the search box. They are, first one is by file type. File type means file extension. What is the extension of your file? Whether it is .txt file, text file, whether it is document file, whether it is ODT means document writer file. Okay. Next way is to search by the file name or a part of file name. If you remember the name of your file or a part of the file name, then you can also search for that file. Okay. And third one is by date you last worked on that file, means when you have last opened your file to work on it, then you can also search by date that file or folder. What are the steps to search for particular file or folder are, firstly we have to click on start button, then we will find a search box at the bottom of drop down menu. Then we have to type the name of the file or folder or a part of the name of file or folder, or complete the name or type of word that is present in the file. As we have typed, the items that match our text will appear in the start menu window, and we have to select the desired file or folder. It will open in new window. क्या होगा अगर हमें सर्च करना है किसी पर्टिकुलर फाइल और फोल्डर के लिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, स्टार्ट बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे, a small search box appear होगा at the bottom of pop-up. Then we have to type the part of file name which we remembered, and उसके बाद जो items that match our text will appear in the start menu window. If any item match our search, then we get the desired file or folder and it will open in new window. In case you remember only a part of file name, we can use wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters. First one is ostrich sign and second one is question mark sign. They are the two wildcard characters that are used for searching. The ostrich sign, the ostrich wild card means any number of characters in its place. Okay, suppose a ostrich dot ostrich will search for all the files which start with 8 followed by any number of characters having any extension. And question mark wildcard means any one character in its place. Suppose we are taking an example. Assign question mark dot docs will search for all the files whose name begins with assign followed by any two characters. There are two question marks na, for that means two characters are there, and extension dot doc. Okay, means assign 11 dot doc means file name is assign and that is followed by two characters. Okay, and the file extension is docs. Now your fifth chapter is completed. Okay, bye bye बच्चों.